Hello guys, welcome to Smart Sport Online and a brand new video. I will tell you in this video about the air conditioner problems and how to fix them. And this article is written by Manny H.J. Farrel. So continue this video that how a problem in ACs air conditioners can be identified and how to fix them. There are almost 8 problems, and keep in mind that your technician will solve these problems easily. But for your information, you will watch this video and read this article about the AC problems and their solutions. Thank you very much and subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos relating to air conditioner and their buying guide and their problems and their rectifications.